Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start the new lesson Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. So, so many people devoted their life for our country. They got bravery award as Paramveer Chakra for their contribution. So many people's name you have heard in the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. You may heard about their extraordinary acts of bravery. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. Today also, they sacrifice their life for our safety. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decoration on them. हम उनका ऑनर कैसे करते हैं? बेस्टोइंग मिलिट्री डेकोरेशन ऑन देम. परमवीर चक्र इज इंडिया हाईएस्ट मिलिट्री डेकोरेशन. सबसे उच्च माना जाता है परमवीर चक्र इज इंडिया हाईएस्ट मिलिट्री डेकोरेशन. इट इज अवॉर्डेड फॉर द मोस्ट conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of enemy, whether on land, whether at sea or in the air also. See, what is Paramveer Chakra? Paramveer Chakra is the highest military decoration and it is awarded by the most conspicuous bravery for or some daring or preeminent act of bravery or self-sacrifice in the presence of enemy, whether it is happened on the land, at sea or in the air. The Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor. Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor. So far, it has been awarded only 21 times. इसलिए वो award किया जाता है 21 times. 14 of these awards were given posthumously. Now 14 awards we are given. The medal itself is very simple in appearance. See, like this medal is given, the photo of the medal. See, this is the photo of the medal. So the medal itself is very simple in appearance. It is made up of bronze. Bronze metal से बनता है. It is made up of bronze and is fitted with Savile mounting and has a plain purple ribbon. Plain purple ribbon was there. On the overalls, it has the Indian national emblem at the center. India के national emblem at the center रहता है उसपे. Surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. इंद्रा के वज्र के रिप्लिका रहते हैं. Okay, 4 replica of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English. Reverse, backside में engrave करके, engrave means कोरना. Okay, कोर के लिखे हुए रहते हैं. In the words, these are in Hindi and English also. With 2 lotus flowers in between. In between 2 lotus flowers are there. Lotus के 2 flowers. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. See, who designed Paramveer Chakra? Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. She was a European lady, but she married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. That's why her name is Savitribai Khanolkar. So Savitribai loved India and took Indian citizenship, as she is born and brought up whatever in the Europe, but she loved India, and that's why she takes citizenship of India. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently. Though she is a European lady, she spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. Deep study किया किसका? Indian art and Indian traditions. So this is Savitribai Khanolkar. India's Vajra or Thunderbolt is supposed to be a matchless weapon. Indra's Vajra, or we can say Thunderbolt, is supposed to be a matchless weapon. But what makes the weapon invincible is the supreme sacrifice of the sage Dadichi. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. हजारों साल पहले डेमन राक्षस बोलते हैं ना. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. Innocent people were suffering and dying without water. Because there is no water in the world, all the water they have stolen. So innocent people, which are a poor innocent people, they were suffering without water. This demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon. ये डेमन को कोई ऑर्डिनरी वेपन नहीं हरा सकता था. So this demon could not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made up of ordinary material like wood, metal. Something extraordinary was required to kill him. Okay, to kill that demon. Something extraordinary. But how could one ask for the bones of a lying man? But how could one ask for the bones of a living man? Sage Dadichi was a noble person. He owned bones to help the people. Indra Vajra, Indra's weapon of thunderbolts, was fashioned from these bones, and the demon was defeated. Okay. See, says Dadichi, he was a noble person. He himself laid down his life and gave his own bones for the making of Indra Vajra weapon of thunderbolt was fashioned from these bones, and the demon was then defeated. Just as Indra Vajra derived power from Sage Dadichi's bone, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifice of the bravest of the brave, the Paramveer Chakra holders. Bravest of the brave Paramveer Chakra holders. So, the 21 bravest of the brave Paramveer Chakras name are given here in your book. See, you have to read this. Okay, the 21 names are given here. These are the 21 names. I am reading these names. Major Somnath Sharma, Lance Naik Karam Singh, Second Lieutenant Rama Raghubar Rane, Naik Jagannath Singh, Company Havaldar Major Piru, Captain Gurubachan Singh Salaria, Major Dhan Singh Thapa, Subedar Joginder Singh, Major Shaitan Singh, Company Quartermaster Havildar Abdul Hamid, Lieutenant Colonel Adeshir Burjoji Tarpore, Lance Naik Albadikka, Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal, Major Hoshiar Singh, नायब सूबेदार बना सिंह, मेजर रामास्वाई परमेश्वरम, लेफ्टिनेंट मनोज कुमार पांडे, ग्रेनाडियर योगिंदर सिंह यादव, राइफलमैन संजय कुमार, कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा, and flying officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon. So these are the name of the bravest of the brave Paramveer Chakra. These are the 21 names. Okay. Now we are going to study Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon, 10877 FP PVC Squadron number 18, the Flying Bullets. So, Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon got Paramveer Chakra. So, here, this is the photo of Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh. So, we are going to study him. And small information is given here. On the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy Sabre aircraft. On which day? 14 August December 1971. Srinagar airfield was attacked. Which field? Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy Sabre aircraft. Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon was on readiness duty at that time. Was on readiness, he was ready. He could not take off immediately because of clouds of dust raised by another aircraft. But he could not take off immediately because of the clouds of dust raised by another aircraft. By the time the runway was clear, the enemy aircraft were overhead. They were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bombs. See. Flying Officer Nirmaljeet Singh, he could not take off because of the cloud that was formed because of the dust which was made by another aircraft. But they were flying very low, firing and attacking the enemy. 6 enemies, they were attacking airfield with bombs. Even then, Flying Officer Sekhon took off in his Nat fighter the moment he could. He began to combat the powerful Sabre jet aircraft of the enemy. He began to combat with the Sabre aircraft of the enemy. He damaged 2 of them. उन्होंने 2 of them damage कर दिए. His fight with the attacking aircraft now continued at treetop height. He began to combat with the powerful Sabre jet aircraft. Now he damaged 2 of them. Out of 6, he damaged 2. Now he continued his fight with the attacking aircraft at the treetop height. At last, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of the battle. Last में वो हारे नहीं, वो अटैक करते रहे. Flying Officer Nirmal Singh. Lastly, they enemy fled from the scene of the battlefield. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved. Airfield और पूरा शहर श्रीनगर, they were saved. But alas, Flying Officer Sekhon's aircraft too crashed and he was killed. Oh. But what happened? The Flying Officer Sekhon's aircraft too crashed. The aircraft is crashed and he was killed in that aircraft. So he fought very bravely with the enemy, and enemy, they run away. Okay, he damaged their aircraft very bravely, but at last he is not able to uh, come out from the aircraft. His aircraft crashed and he was killed in that crash. See, Flying Officer Sekon displayed great flying skill and determination. What he displayed? Great flying skill. His great flying skill and his determination in the face of certain death. He showed unmatched heroism above the beyond the call of duty. Yes, he was a real hero. He showed unmatched heroism. There is no match of this. He showed unmatched heroism above and beyond the call of duty. Salute to the bravest of the brave. We are saluting him. Salute to the bravest of the brave, Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekon. So salute his bravery. Okay. He gave his life to save us. Understood? Now, you can do more read on the internet at www.paramveerchakra.com. You can search this and read about more about so many things, or you can say important information about Paramveer Chakra. So go and read on the internet www.paramveerchakra.com about the gallant PVC awardnees who laid down their lives in service of our country. So you can read about it. You will see that they belong to various communities and religions. See, they are belonging to various communities, various religions. Do find and read the inspiring accounts of how they face the enemy without any regard for their fatal wounds and physical pain. So you have to find out how they face their enemy without any regard. They don't have any kind of regard for their fatal wounds and physical pain. Okay. Understood? So this is about Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekon. Okay, what you have to do, you have to read this lesson. What is your homework? Your homework is read the lesson. Read the lesson. Paramveer Chakra are heroes. So we have finished this topic. In the tomorrow's class, we will do question analysis of this. Okay. Some words are also there. So we'll do the word meanings and question answers in next class. So your homework is read the lesson Paramveer Chakra. read it. Okay. Okay. Okay, bye.